Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can zoom sniper in GTA 5 on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you.
As you can see guys, I'm right now in Reddit where I found a guide that explains perfectly how you can zoom in with Sniper in GTA 5 on the PlayStation 5. Can someone show me how to use the Sniper Zoom on GTA 5 online for PlayStation 5? I've been researching all over the web for solutions or steps on how actually zoom in and out, but it seemed like I can get the zoom to work. I know there is an option in the settings that you can adjust your character's movement when you're using the zoom so that you can disable or enable it. But that doesn't seem to work. Is this a known issue? Is there a fix? Are you guys having the same trouble? Or this is just typical Rockstar not caring at all about 9 years old game? I have bought GTA 5 on PlayStation 3 and on PlayStation 4. I had the same issues like regardless of disabling or enabling that option under settings. I couldn't do the zoom at all. So basically guys, if you want to zoom in or zoom out, as you can see guys, this guy's answered it's pretty easy. If you want to zoom in, first of all, go ahead and hold your controller, then click on D-pad up or D-pad down. And this is basically, guys, how you can zoom in using Sniper. So once you zoom, go ahead, once you click on L2, go ahead and click on up or down using your D-pad buttons. Then you're going to be able to zoom with Sniper. Also, if you're aiming and you press square, you're going to be able to dodge while you're zooming using Sniper. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.